Akronfo. Thieves. Oh, how are you?
Oh, you are managing under John Mahama 24-hour economy. No pay, no. I be about code here.
Nyame adumo me de ma ka che mo say me yare 50 say kokofo asem ba yi. I'll be depressed. I'm personally affected.
Yeah. I heard you say it on.
The cocoa farms no so. They see it were more than 100 bucks.
Oh.
Ayɛka. 100 bucks, no. It means he's lost more than 100,000 cedis, me boy.
Yeah, no.
100,000 cedis. And come back me the bet you rent because it's in opposition. Oh, you better make a wage, mammy, the people bobra, or my school fees. Timothy, hey, many are bring me to Hopa because me rent. Oh, John Mahama, Magana Yedin. Coco Kakra, me papa should be din so. My father is also a cashew farmer. Okay, so me started cashew as semi cracks and a cocoa de Iba.
Yes,
cashew
I remember.
Prices too has fallen.
Oh,
in my house, we are not happy people. But me and you remember the public service announcement be never.
Okay.
Some artists are not paying to Peja.
Yeah.
America,
Iran.
The public service announcement is a more beyond my country. Say fuel prices are costro, inflation are costro. Na Iran-Israeli war and American-Iran war, yempetie. 10 year COVID the buy ya near my year basa ye bekanya NDC force and yam panel. They say na another dankwa kufuado na aye or na manage economy ni ye. 18 and which they buy no. The same energy, the same process, boot for boot. This is aura for aura. If this thing continues, I can assure you, petrol prices will go up. It is not the fault of the war. It is John Mahama's fault. Yeah, no more say me my dear to me Facebook page did out. Me the Bible to me TikTok page. Public service announcement, just like how COVID and the problems that came when Ronaldo's fault. Whatever will come after what has happened, how many kilometers away from here, it is also John Mahama's fault.
Yeah.
Mobia me kanchira cocoa prices na yetitation and cocoa price bia na akofom bad management world price bia na akofom bad management John Mahama fault the petrol prices na start shoot ya na mom pa yes ya ka say san to kwa no mbejai ya baby ya dip petrol akese you know the shipping lines the fires straight of whatever Iran for akrosi
ani
ase wo mukuro wo ma tumu se dwe tie free ne petrol nko ba bia but fire ho John Mahama fault just like our COVID no na do fault no and then me ba public service announcement and me di ba
me 1 minute one thing you say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wow boss I can say let's put some gold down so that in case ebia nsembi say pejana we can have a backing for our currency. Na wa won crofo unu anum amo NDC mu. Omo say omo nim na ebe si H90. Omo akotam gold ni nyina akoton. So say with this but I say
akakitu ebi wo ho.
I say kitu anu say basically we have not seen the effect of the 18 tons
gold crop metal. Wa hwenra president ma State of the Nation address no. Who's a parliament omo maze.
Yeah.
And I saw the when president
no.
Who's sending in the bar parliament ho?
Yeah, only bar.
They're all pure gold though.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
They're pure gold and they are all part of our national reserves.
Oh, okay.
It's almost the near on state occasions to send radiant and pure gold in a muhu.
Oh, I see.
The president is swear in so I'm pure gold, you know.
Oh, okay.
But normal parliamentary way there, a replica, a gold plated.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
When you na eba akoton.
Now maybe say war we start here, you know. Now that we don't have as much gold to back our currency, we know say the dollar is going to go up, cedi is going to depreciate. What do we expect? What should we expect? Who should we blame in this
whatever
case?
they will expect, I don't care. Whatever we should expect is a cup of tea. They say they can do. Me if me the end say John Mahama fault. And yeah, okay. International market fault.
Yo.
Whatever happens, you won't be. Country broke, country no broke. We all day inside. Just like how things also happen. A president like Nana Doma. This is now that we are going to see John Mahama's presidency. Now, I don't have any hope. Each one for himself, not for us. What will come her? Unya sorry anopa. Now unya petrol good kamu now. When you be anu watinefie. It's as simple as that.
You finally now 1 million jobs are.
Now unya be dear, amen. When you be a near, wako pay nsuo be anu nsuo nso benya bi po. Say ya two pipe me I say ya two pipe for more than 4 weeks.
Oh,
and then tank back 12,200. It will not last me a week. Better. If you get money to pay, fine. If you don't get, you are in it. Because me, finally. I don't see John Mahama doing anything to cushion us.
Finally, not Ellen. Sorry, I'm keeping you for long, but 1 million jobs are John Mahama His Excellency created, you know, within 3 months. I don't know, but do you know somebody who has gotten these jobs? Because me, I don't know anybody. I know a lot of graduates. No one that I know that qualifies for these jobs or some jobs in the public sector has been employed. Okay, now Tanko Computer Subeka say, sir, 1 million coders now. They have trained over 150,000 or so of them already last year. These two things, have you come across anybody? You people know more people than we know. Have you come across anybody who has got into part of those jobs? And can we know the kind of jobs they are? ABI engineering jobs, and I say, do you have any idea about it?
So, any public service announcement to be on your money be beyond fan of home. Come on, I mean, okay, say you started an EIP, for some cancer. Not even him. John Kuma.
Because first, John Kuma here.
John Kuma, when they started giving out and people started their businesses, and then Yamudi, Jollof Yamudi, a very popular one, you know, they say. Oh, Chicken Man, Pizza Man.
Chicken Man, Pizza Man.
Exactly, he came out. Or since I on the man started, it was huge. And a lot of people who came out, okay. People came and they came to testify. People came and they came to testify the things I am on. This is from testimonies. But when 1 million jobs, the president we can't throw. We can't throw straight because on one government statistician at that time period was say 330,000. And Ukrainian government statistician says 330 no nyano wo hefa. On Ukrainian mean church. Now, President Ayɛka say in the same period, when we are 1 million, meaning say addition is not one so kind speech before time. Because of 11 a.m. no upon 3 p.m. After that, so he doesn't have an eye to detail, to all mistakes. And yes, I'm back to the way I show speech. What's the show speech? Say watch and cook 700, the money pass 13,000, 130,000. I don't know which one it is. And he is not a meticulous person. It is obvious. In John Mahama one, Mukai so call you and not any no tire.
Yeah.
One president or you meticulous ni no tire. But as I said, he looks like a very disorganized person. Oh, and unlike Nanado Danko Kufuadwa, 2 a.m. or was State of the Nation addresser. 2 a.m. Not no go through. Whatever first sector minister you will have to come and explain to him. Papa, we want to say you are Kufuor Sana or Tie. You are Tamils. You see very, 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 very attention to detail. But it looks like President John Mahama, he's not. It is we are fake figures. The Abrawa Mawaka. Otherwise, how do you tell me that a small economy like Ghana be able to employ 1 million people when America employed 200,000 people within the same period? How? America cried the whole year. So if you divide it by the quarter, it means they employ like 50,000 people per quarter.
Yeah.
Now the catch and say within 1 quarter, we will employ 1 million. And I do man. But unfortunately, the president, what's not here, my idea about a channel, and all those waka, you will text and let you answer the and check, BBA. And so, Mr. President, you lied. It's as simple as that.
Right.
Oh, and this is not the only thing he lied about. Or no, microphone baby, about a friend Dr. Baumia liar. Wait. When we are cocoa farmers are bomb or pole say electricity, we are chrono and we are Ghana for. Look at the stealing, they are stealing from us. 3 electricity tariffs. Move catch and some to move by 29%. But see, a near ton a 200%. A 300%.
Yeah.
A crown for thieves. Led by President Mahama. Wow. But he's a liar and a thief. And I've told you, no, he's a liar and a thief, and his whole system. They are all liars and thieves, and they are look at how they are just sitting on a happiness. 1 year, and one magic did not do, even in COVID. Say you light or Chianca nurses need teachers in the Google. I'm put the air no more some men pesameka.
Yo, me da say Auntie Ellen.
I just pass. I'll be listening from behind me. Yeah, I just pass.
No problem, no problem.
Give my public service announcement.
Me da say I appreciate so much.
Almost is a farmers necessity can I de mom no omumpa omuntwitwa munua nimu. And then what some mom ko ka kire farmers wo ho no. And I mean mom response say ya do mo ase nyame nhiro. Asemo abaye kan yen kan wieye akuafo de over 5 billion people ho aka.
Sister ma me pato ma no mo video no. Na what was.
They are not amused. Well, they can decide they are not amused. You cannot say that they should decide to cut the trees down. Ghana was built from Dr. Nkrumah's time on the back of cocoa farmers. And so if you have people like my father, who is 77 years and has done cocoa all his life, and now he's using the cocoa as his retirement benefit, and you take money away from him, and you tell him that he should cut the cocoa trees down if he doesn't feel like taking the money. My father has never threatened to cut the cocoa down. He will never do that because that is his life. That is his life's work. And you know the sad thing, majority of our cocoa farmers are all over 50 years. The young people are not prepared to go into it. But let's not forget and be ungrateful for the work that cocoa and cocoa farmers have done for this country.
The majority of the cocoa.
Thank you, ladies.
As this time and patch to as well, he said, yeah, I just say cocoa farmers, mucha cocoa nigu.
Somebody, NDC for and I'm deputy health minister, no. Ni ono koka se me se na de nkwase asema koka ambulances na grace osi ambulances no kura na nado de ba ye no kura no we nim enu so me na atwa so enu me be ba later na ye be wie ne ye sori ne ye ka koko asema osi kokofo ne mpesika na omuntungu omuntwa ntungu ena me se me papa a we di 77 years eni cocoa farmers omote se onu omunyina adana se enne de yentwa cocoa nu yantungu cocoa ne cocoa ayama Ghana ni cocoa farmers aye no enne de ndc sika no monye a mopa munua no muntungu wa hu se be adu nkwasi asem ni sabi onye pisam no mo ka kire yenka cocoa de anwieye enne ye se ya farefo akọ nsuo so omo amma ya kidnap yo hwan na kidnap yo Mukai say Ranado just last year 2024. Mukai saw man Navy ships be Mukai.
Me patron all koto kwa NDC for say who he am fast one so or sugar mister.
Okuda to a black one me sin the senior yet to send me a double glass on me otukono. Omu a friend is a dentist that you are quite Yamamu post Nisika Bebreba mu we are still mu dentist that you are quite. enkonkor correct mo se ebegina ho kan said ye wurada na da se ship no navy for de na na do ko no wa fa sinachi eno kura tu Ghana nyina yete ha navy for make abusua wa wonim navy no ye soldier for mu wo nsuo so but omo hia omo de be boye ho ban no omo ni bio na do de atu yi for over nyame boa 7 months musima di ahe 69 years. Eti time ani yesi ye kwa akoto military aircraft ya to presidential jet na navy for de ani so ka ho. And your friend the retooling of the Ghana Armed Forces. Na do hwe ya mo mpini no se medium navy for yi ma me pɛ bienu bi ma wo. And now kaya soldier police for so kai so per helicopters be 5 bi ma friend say police for so. Enso enya NDC for ni pabone for enne afari for ye I have kidnap you me anya bia na before the day ne ba akɔhwe omo why no like kidnap you omo kokodu hi ekuro ba akɔ ayetim ade atwi biara asemfoforo ba enso enfa ye president ho president Mahama ma me nka ncho se wonya obi a wo de ne be ye defense minister Dominic Niti wo ogusu na ho Dominic Niti wo ono na the last defense minister under MPP for 8 solid years. That man obi wo ha na nkrofo dwen se o ye papa panimu Dominic Niti wo already 48 to 49 years o oba ye MP ne yeso edi 24 years. It was a very, very young, versatile man for 8 solid years. No, you're a defense minister. Moti bribi. Fekua etwa ye ho ahia. Ya ntipi otimi manage situation no. Of course, with the permission of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni Dr. Ba. Parliament onko baby a. Monko sere no so onyina mu mamo. Naja ontimi nsuso mu an kopem se bu benya obi aba because it is obvious say munni nipa munni omane bu amane he was your hope. Ena mu a mu de na akoya sacrifice. Eje se mu hu ne am beye mo ho. Na nkanya asam ne yanka Dr. Omane bu amatimi wu. Me de asam ne de besin na ye me ya because me nua no no. Mo hwe awurade ani mama me nua akowu kwa. Onu ewu ewie no mo ma ye hwe ne ye beye mo ti ho na Ghana fo ma akotontos ye ku. And then the affair for so call ya almost ama because ye need a substantive minister or the nation ni betu or what the authority to act. Obi obeka se deputy minister only authority to act. Eti broja jenfi kura oti bribi enso wakachi atuforcing na gold yi ni tukoko enso ni koyin ti atuforcing o waso di ko ti bribi. Oh, who show finance no such a huge responsibility like defense. It is a munya me pamucho and another defense minister. The latest one, Dominic Niti wonko baby ya. Monko friend no muamo. On the hand over. Emma Omane Buama. Because near kwe di anu wedding. Sister, say ye mistake na terrorist works me without Ghana say crime. Soba when you Nigeria. When you are Kenya, yet me come shopping mall, call Bombay, some money. What do you mistake? Now, when you die, you bought the same to her. Yet, I am soldier for you now, Buafu, a Hayana, maybe catch up the soldier for our pension. One force your mom call pension, or Musika farm. A job who soon in barracks. And I knew appointees now, my young social name, home when you're baby. A soldier in our ball who buy no, or your baby or the Tibeto. No, when you dream, be the again. 18 years besia na esi no so ya force small boys so mututu to kwan ekwa make small boys anya so mo ye nkwala make under ranks for no omo kwa ba omo sika kakra UND mam yesi mo wia yesi mo tete so eti nkrofo ne buafu na omo de te ho so ya for be kom asem a choma omo se na nado amre so omo pay na nado timi tu omo pay mu by 150%. Na nado amre so na soldier any a friend is a police by a corner. Moba ye, yes, also betum. Would your Mahama, also in country, said your Mahama one, would now bet 2 or mu pay mu $1. $1. They said your $1 no crown for my own see a real or more allowances, then you may be on Yanka crash support to Munina. Nina won't ya. A rent won't ya. where you when tell me them I catch him, say papa no was come back to John Mahama Sumai no. I bought John Mahama 1 Sumai na you see about 3 o'clock now upon. You see boy we are 3 say came one for the crown ko say papa nye ho adwan wapon. Wapon the rest of the day your day yen minim. Ye run anado dan kwaku fuado say mu nim na me kira mu nanado timit na office man born 2 a.m. Yes say me see because all your man wajma and now on Dr. Baumia so quiet. It is say ya any Dr. Baumia ye bre papa. Sister only papa na ko baby so obekwa akoda na wo so akoda bi. Say Dr. Baumia beda na wada bi. Lie adeko na mo ye na ba no perform mo betina ho age. Mo wi na about 2 hours. Say kokko siesie ho na san bra. Sali yebu man enso ye wura Mahama de da bi. Who you are known say about 3 p.m. Wapon wo say do adwuma mu so 11 a.m. Na 3 p.m. ni 11 a.m. no assembly between those how many hours now when you available now. How would this not happen? How would this not happen? She say sister would you a mean say me nam hono some catch am say be to me fit say kokofo asem by me wura ho me ho na me dam. But they bia this 4 year near omudi same. E say afari 4 year your den e wo ma omo yirenum ye asem aba wo. Asem aba. Monso so afarefo no so sabi omo hoje. Nanado mre social ni oyema mo fitin kran ha epoa no. Ekoko pim Cape Coast takrade. Tibisi esi habo. Na yesi habo na mo amasia mo nkrofo ni bi atwa ho. Jamestown de yesi ya bia no fefefa ide adwuma. Na sabi nkrofo bi akọ ho ni ye kọ toilet wo ho. Mahama si mo hia dokono ne fish. Eni meko they say ntosi ben ena modi betwi meko no omo so ma akọje fish na aba no omo nso so ena eja ya kire omo yi enti omo amowo coast na no the coasting part of Ghana John Mahama na moto aba ma na mo se na Dr. Baumia ye nipa bonini no ori na ebe ba mo kenna kehito kekomi ene mo ne Nyankopon na atua mu nyina ka unfortunately no ko betua mo ka na beka mo so anka ye beja ne sa say watua mu nyina ka ma na ba beka innocent koko farmers me papa nam hoyi me papa nsuma mo me papa nto aba ma NDC da enso ne my father has lost almost 300,000 Ghana cedis on his cocoa 300,000 akokora 77 years 300,000 a free ne earnings so nkwala wo hwe wo onu amu so obehwe ne ho meti hana mi so obi nti ase nkasa 300,000 me de 50,000 bi wom eno so abome da ye ka we nyina wi a no ma be ka nkwase asem a kire ye se kokoo fa me so mo mpa omuntwa kokoo ningu nyame ne be hira mo sister me kwa wai mo bi fu front wa so na makoma kora aba
But sister